Hello, so a bit of an impromptu Saturday night, looking for World Book Day costumes for me and Matilda, trying on, Jasper don't eat the pencil now, trying on different combination of clothes, searching Google, the internet, everything. And I've decided I'm going to make us Little Miss costumes from the Little Miss box.
I'm going to be Little Miss
So
Princess.
Matilda wants to be Little Miss Princess and I'm going to be Little Miss Sunshine. So luckily we had Hello Fresh delivered today. So I've literally cut up the Hello Fresh box. So I've just cut off the sides of it and just kept the two main big pieces. And then luckily this is the top of our what they called?
Table.
Little side table. So I'm going to actually use this to draw around to give us the circle shape for the, well, Little Miss and Mr.
So this must be... So
a
this
Little
is,
Miss circle, Mr. Men squares. I think so. I'm going to draw around that, and then what I will do is I'll go through the steps with you. But so basically, the first step is cut out your box. Second step is draw around your circle. But my aim for it is that I'm going to cut the circle out, obviously paint it in the colour of Little Miss, so yellow, put some hair and stuff on it, and then I'm going to put this like this, and I'm going to put two hole punches, and put yellow ribbon through and just wear it around my neck like this.
What about the arms and legs?
I have my own arms.
Oh, okay.
you'll wear a yellow jumper underneath.
Yeah, I
Like a
could maybe
big
put
yellow
something
dress.
yellow underneath it or something.
A yellow dress.
And then Matilda wants to be Little Miss Princess, so you can be pink underneath or whatever colour it is.
And they need a crown.
And a crown. Yeah,
So we're going to come back
we'll
when
see
you get
how
to
it
the next
goes. Yeah,
bit.
we'll see the next stage. And the next step is done. So basically, all I've done for the next step is I've drew some feet on the bottom. So I've just literally used a pencil, Jasper, and I've just drawn the feet. I did have to do it like symmetrical because it was annoying me that they both wasn't the same size. So I have used a piece of card just to make sure that that's definitely the same length, that they're the same length either side. And basically, like when I've looked on the picture, Little Miss, it's just literally two little feet. So just two little feet there. So my next step's probably going to be see if we have any paint. Because I think the next thing is just basically going to be to paint it all yellow and then add the detail in with a black pen for the face and the hair. So it's pretty simple really. Like literally think all it is a piece of cardboard, drew around the shape, added the feet, paint it yellow and draw your things on black.
Scissors.
Yeah, I'll have to cut it out, yeah. But I'm going to paint it first before I cut it out. Because I always think you paint it first, you can go over the edges then without having to, you know, get it on your floor or anything like that. So I'd always say paint it first and then cut it out after you've painted it. Okay, so we're on round 2 and I've done Matilda's. So Matilda decided to, whoops, daisies.
I'm Little Miss Bossy Chatterbox.
No,
Chatterbox.
So this was a bit trickier than just Little Miss Sunshine because she's not like a circle. She's kind of almost like a long semicircle. She's a bit strange. So I started off with the circle. So I drew around my circle shape and then I finished it like about here. From there, I just kind of carried it down, but she's almost like, she's not a straight line down. She was almost like slightly curved. So I've tried to slightly curve it, but not go too straight. Then I straightened her off on the bottom. I'm very anal with things like this and very particular. So I kind of like found exactly where the centre was. Then I centred off her feet here. Then I did the line in the middle, did the sides, and then I kind of even worked out where the point of the end of the feet went on both sides. So I knew they were exactly the same size. And then I've done the feet, I wrote them out loads of times. Then because she has these two little bits on the end of the hair, where it's like a hair as if it's like in bunches, it kind of comes out from the shape of her face. So I've drew the hair in because her hair's kind of like these funny almost like leaf shapes. So I drew those in and then I drew around a smaller circle to get the bunches. And again, I was kind of like, I went from that point there, went all the way up and knew that was my line for my centre. So I knew that was my centre line to part the hair. Then I knew the end of the hair finished here for both of them. So again, I found the centre point of those. Then I measured the circles on either side and made them symmetrical.
We've got a Little Miss Sunshine painted.
Yeah, so update on Little Miss Sunshine. I've given her one coat. I'm going to try and give her another coat because it's not obviously come through that well just because it's cardboard. So I think she's going to need another coat. I'm hoping maybe after another coat she might be okay. Well, says I'm going to give Little Miss Sunshine another coat now and I'm going to paint Little Miss Chatterbox hair because her hair is yellow as well. So I'm going to give that one another coat and do Little Miss Chatterbox's hair and then we'll see how that looks after that. Okay, so I think I got a little bit ahead on this without filming. So I did my next coat of yellow paint. Then after I did my yellow coat of paint, I went over it with the marker just to go around the edges. But I did notice it was very hard to go over the paint with the marker pen. So I think really I should have marker penned it first and then painted it, and just tried to be really careful because it was very difficult. So I give it a second coat, waited for it to dry, then I've marker penned in all my details, and I've added a little bit of like glitter paint into her hair because I just thought it would add a little bit of extra to her. I've forgotten to put her hands on, so I'm hoping that when I cut her out she still looks like Little Miss Sunshine. But okay, is Little Miss Chatterbox. So as you can see, I gave her hair a coat of paint, and then learning from Little Miss Sunshine about the marker pen, I went round her outline in marker pen. Then I painted her purple in the middle, and then I've had to colour this in the middle black because I didn't have any black paint. So I gave the hair the coat, then I went round it all in the marker pen, all around everywhere, coloured all the middle in, did her eyes, gave it a coat of purple. And this here, I've just used a blue marker pen for this bit, and I've actually used a white chalk pen to get the white on because I didn't have any white paint. She's just drying now. I don't think she's going to need another coat. I think she's all right. But while that was drying, I just did the shoes because I thought I'll do the shoes while it's drying. So I did the blue marker pen for these bits, and I did the white chalk pen for those bits, and I coloured in the mouth and the eyes while I'm waiting for the pink to dry. But I think I might even cut her out once she's dry and see how she looks.